Do you spend too much time searching through folders to find your files? With ueli, you can open documents, spreadsheets, presentations, and other files in just a few keystrokes. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use ueli to find and open files faster on Windows. So let's get started. Before searching for files, confirm that the File Search extension is enabled in ueli. Open the Settings window, go to the Extensions section, and verify that File Searching is turned on. Yeah, depending on your version, you may also be able to choose which folders are indexed. Now press your global keyboard shortcut to open ueli from anywhere in Windows. This lets you search for files without opening File Explorer or navigating through multiple folders. Start typing part of the file's name. As you type, ueli searches through the available index locations and displays matching results. You know, the more specific your search is, the easier it is to find exactly what you need. Use the arrow keys or your mouse to select the correct result, then press Enter to open it immediately in its default application. I mean, this can save several clicks compared to browsing through folders manually. To make searching even faster, keep your file names organized and enable only the folders you actually use if your version of ueli supports folder selection. So this helps reduce unnecessary search results and makes important files easier to locate. Instead of opening File Explorer every time you need a document, get into the habit of using ueli first. Whether you're opening reports, spreadsheets, PDFs, or presentations, searching directly from the launcher can save time every single day, and that's it. You've learned how to open files faster with ueli. After using this workflow for a while, you'll probably wonder how you managed without it. If this tutorial helped you, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple technology guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.